All right, y'all, 250 jets are in. Let's see if we bust a 690 and everything stays together. Hopefully we'll make a good pass. Here we go. That felt good. I kind of fucked up the launch though. That did feel good though. I missed my shift. That felt good though. All right, yeah. We might have to make one more pass. I don't think that was a 6.9, but that did feel really good. All right, so that one's out of the way. We see how it feels. We're not nervous. It's all good. It may need a little more timing. We'll see how it goes. We need to pull that plug and then hopefully have enough time to get back in line. $719. Okay, I knew that. I knew it wasn't gonna be a 690. I over revved up. I got nervous. I just had to get that one out of the way. It's close. 250 jets are in though. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it next round. Okay, 719 at 719 at 102. Okay, so we're slower. All right, so let's send that data log to Jason, because unfortunately he couldn't make it to the track today. He's sick. I'm just getting over being sick. And let's pull that plug, take a picture of it, and send it to him, and see what he cooks up. Well, at least we know it hooks. That's a good thing. It hooked and went down the track. Okay, all right. Let's see if we can get this stuff done in time real quick. All right. Jason sent another tune. He gave me about a degree of timing, and we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully we'll make a good pass. I don't know if that was my 690, but that felt pretty darn fast. Woo-wee. Whoa, that felt good. Damn, that was moving. Whoa. I felt like I left a little bit better that time. I was still being easy on it. We don't want to break an axle. Damn it, boy, please let this be a 690. Please. That felt pretty good. Come on. Please, 690, 690. No way. Oh my God, 708. Bro. It's so close.
Whatever happened coming off start line, that didn't.
Do what?
That's how your light.
Yeah.
Start light crashed up. I think that's what hurt you most, the light.
Yeah, I've been having to slip really easy just so I don't break an axle. Yeah. Let's see. 178, 60 foot. It's normally a 175, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, God, that's so close. We're almost there. If I can get back in line and make one more pass, I'm gonna try to hit a 699 this season. If not, you know, we'll be back next season. Thanks, brother. Oh no, they're coming to talk to me.
I just want to give you a heads up. They're saying they think you're too fast.
I saw Mike.
But you got a bar in here.
Yeah, I got
talking about you.
I got a roll bar.
Oh,
I seen Mike walk up and he looked inside, and I seen him on the walkie-talkie. I was like, oh shit.
They probably can't see that bar.
Yeah, it's got a bar.
Oh.
So.
I just want to give you a heads up.
I appreciate it. 708, man. I'm almost there.
You get it tuned in a lot better when you first started coming out.
Yeah, that's for sure. I got Jason Dillard on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, man.
Thanks, bro. Oh, man. Oh. 708. Come on, man. At 104.6. Damn it, boy. Oh, if we could just cut that 60 foot. If I can get back in line, I'll try to leave a little bit harder. We probably got enough spray for one more pass. Oh man, 708. Damn it, boy. I'm gonna try. The fire department said, I'm giving you a heads up. They're talking about you. They think you might be too fast. So we'll see if they let me through again. Oh man, oh, we're so close. Oh, it's so close. Damn it, boy. We're gonna try one more time. All right, here we go. Last run of the season. Let's see if we can make it. Come on, girl, let's run a 699. We're so close. We're so close. We got this. Come on, baby. Let's do this. 699. Do what? I can put it in the trunk. Thank you.
Oh, it's black. That's why I couldn't see it.
Yeah. Or no, you can put it in the trunk. I popped the trunk. I popped the trunk. I popped the trunk. You can put it in the trunk. I just popped it.
No, I said go ahead. Come back. Just come back and get it.
Okay. On that one, holy shit. I fucked up the shifts. That would have been it. Dude, that would have fucking been it. Oh my god, that would have been it. I fucked the shifts up. Dude, we left so fucking hard on that. Holy shit. Dude, that would have been the 699. I left so hard. God, man, if I didn't mess that shift up, that would have been it. I left so fucking hard on that. No, I know it wasn't.
You know it.
Huh?
You know it.
It wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't 89.
Huh?
It wasn't 89.
Nuh-uh. No fucking way. No fucking way, dude. No fucking way, dude. Get the fuck out of here, dude. 689, give me a hug, dude. Hell yeah. 689. Get the fuck out of here. Dude, hell yeah, we did it. And I fucked my shifts up too. No fucking way, dude. Our ET's a 6'4" now. Hell yeah, bro. Thank you. It's moving. That was my last pass. That's it. Hell yeah. Later, bro. We'll see you next year. Oh my god. 6'8". Woohoo! Yeah! That's it. Thank you. Oh. We'll have a cage next year. Thank you. Hell yeah. Motherfucking 6'8", dog. No fucking way, dude. That shit left so fucking hard. Yeah! Oh my god. Fucking 6'8", dude. Hell yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, boy. Fucking 6'8", dude. God, that was so fucking fast. Hell yeah. God, that was great. 6'8", dude. Oh yeah. Motherfucking 6'8", dude. Dude, I fucked my shifts up too. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude, I can't believe I did it. Last fucking pass of the season. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Oh, that was so good. Oh, that's Alex. Oh, we'll squeeze next to Alex. Damn it, boy. Bro. Motherfucking 6'8". Oh my god. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you. Oh, dude, that was great. That was so great. She fucking did it, dude. Oh my god. Dude, that shit fucking took off, dude. I haven't ever launched that hard before. Oh my god. Yeah, I didn't even see what the 60 foot was. A 1.5. Holy shit, dude. No way, dude. My ET's a 6'4" now. It was slower mile an hour.
Did he tell you can't run no more?
No, but I'm sure that is the last pass of the season. It's gotta be. Dude, that shit sprays the fuck up.
You fucking, yeah.
Oh my god, that left.
Bro, that shit hard as fuck.
Bro.
The moment you left, bro, I immediately started crossing 686.
Oh man, that was crazy. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you. Oh, that was good. Sweet. Look at that. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this video here. As always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Later, y'all.